Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a chain. First, we will make a slip knot, then I will teach you how to yarn over and make the chain. To begin, we're going to start by making a slip knot. I'm holding the loose tail in my right hand and my working yarn that leads to the ball in my left hand. I like to leave about 5 to 6 inches of yarn to make the loop. To make the loop, you're going to place the loose tail on top of the working yarn. Like so. Let's do that again. Take the loose tail and place it on top of the working yarn. Then I like to take my thumb and finger and hold where the yarn has overlapped. Next, take your hook and put it inside of the loop, grab hold of the yarn tail, and pull it through the loop. But make sure not to pull it through all the way, and you should have something that looks like this. Then you're going to take both tails and pull to tighten. Now you can see that we have a little bit of a gap right here. You're going to pull the loose tail until the slip knot tightens onto the hook. Now that we've created a slip knot, it's time to yarn over and begin making our chain. To yarn over, simply take your hook and grab hold of the yarn like so. Let's do that again. So for a yarn over, the yarn will go from the back to the front of the hook. With the yarn over the hook, you can then proceed to pull it through the loop or the stitch. And that is going to be how you chain. So let's do this again. Yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop that is on your hook. And that's another chain. Continue doing this for a little bit of practice. You'll notice on the chain piece you have a few loops. When the piece is facing you like this, you can see it's a V on its side. The loop down here is going to be the front loop. The loop on top is going to be the back loop. And if you were to flip it over, you have a series of back bumps. And that's how you make a slip knot, a yarn over, and a chain. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!